Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. If you're looking for the perfect home in the sought after community of Caribbean Estate Portmore, your search is over. The home is also perfect for income generation as there are two main self-contained two-bedroom apartments in addition to the main house. Live in comfort and serenity while earning rental income. The land area of this house is approximately 6,000 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 56 million or US $364,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.